Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. So friends, start employment news of this week. New Delhi, 17 July to 23rd July 2021. Women-led rural startups and enterprises emerging opportunities. Rai Sengupta. Alternate career opportunities for law students by Deboluna Saha, Narayan and Subhankar Ray. Today's job highlights, friends. SSC, the Staff Selection Commission, will conduct an open competitive examination for Constable GD in Central Armed Forces and NIA and SSF Rifle GD in Assam Rifle. दोस्तों, last date is 31st August 2021. Indian Navy invites application from unmarried male candidates. Enrollment for sailors vacancy 350 approx. Last date 23rd July 2021. IBPS and Institute of Banking Personnel Selection notifies common recruitment process for recruitment clerk in participating bank. Last date is 1st August 2021 on page number 49. Question and answer on Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium. Continue from page number 1. Alternate career opportunity. Let's start and take the first vacancy from the Council of Scientific Industrial Research यानी CSIR Anushandhan Bhavan, New Delhi. Friends, this is for director post. Application are invited for the director post. Pay level will be 15 and the last date of issue this application will be 17 August 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.csir.res.in. Next vacancy from Nagaland University. It is advertising number 01/2021. Application are invited in prescribed format are invited for eligible candidate for the post of Finance Officer, Director College Development Council and various teaching posts. For more details for its educational qualifications, please visit its official website nagalanduniversity.ac.in. Last date of receipt this application field. This is offline applications. This is 6 August 2021. By 6 August 2021, your application should be reached in Nagaland University. Next department is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, Kolkata. Friends, this is an admission notice. Training who wants to do trainees marine engineers TME and GME. Last date of this receipt application is by 16 August 2021. For this course, educational qualification required degree in mechanical engineering, naval architecture or mechanical or automation engineering from AICTE approved engineering college with minimum 50% marks. For more details, please visit grse.in. Next department and notice for Union Public Service Commission. This is a notice National Defence Academy Naval Academy Examination 2 2020 final result of the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2002 has been declared by the Commission and the same is available on the upsc.gov.in website. Next department is National School of Drama, New Delhi. Vacancy notice for the post of registrar on deputation basis. For registrars, please visit its official website nsd.gov.in. The last date of issue this for post of registrar is 16 August 2021. Next department is Kendriya Hindi Sansthan, Delhi Center. This is admission notice for evening courses session 2021-22. Courses are PG Diploma in Journalism and Mass Communications, PG Diploma in Translation Theory and Practical, and Post MA in Applied Hindi Linguistics. Qualifications for postgraduate Hindi graduation level, and PG diploma for translation theory, graduate with Hindi and English subject, and PG diploma generally in mass communication, graduate in Hindi as a medium of instructional graduation level. Last date is by 20 August 2021. Next department is Council of Scientific India's Industrial Research, that is the CSIR, New Delhi. CSI invites application national nominations for the position of scientist H, outstanding scientist at CSIR Human Resource Development Group HRDG. Friends, for more details, please visit its official website. That is a csir.res.in. It is an offline mode application. You have to draw the format from the csir.res.in website and fill the proforma and attach with all requisite document and send it to this given address before 17 August 2021. Next, recruitment notice from recruitment to the post of translation from High Court of Gujarat, Shola, Ahmedabad. It is a 5 vacancies are post for translation by direct recruitment and for High Court of Gujarat. Friends, for more details and for educational qualifications, please visit gujarathighcourt.nic.in. Last date of this receipt application by 10 August 2021. Next department is Indian Maritime University. It is an advertisement for the post of Registrar and Controller of Examination on direct recruitment or deputation basis. Friends, for Registrar, pay matrix will be 14, and Controller of Examination is also for pay 14. Essential qualifications required Registrar as per the recruitment rules available in IMU's website. So friends, for this recruitment, you have to visit its official website for more details. It is an offline mode. You have to register application form and send it to this given address. Friends, last date of this receipt this application is within 45 days from the date of advertisement published in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website imu.edu.in for the Registrar and Controller of Examination for the Indian Maritime University. Friends, next vacancy from Union Public Service Commission Combined Medical Service Examination Notice. The Union Public Service Commission will hold the Combined Medical Service Examination 2021 on 21st November 2021 on Sunday. So friends, the field application can be filled up to 27 July 2021 till 6 p.m. Next vacancy from Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, that is from New Delhi. This is a vacancy circulations. Name of the post is Additional Commissioner, Natural Resource Management, Rain-fed Farming System. Number of posts is 2. Method of recruitment, deputation basis including short-term contract. Friends, last date of this receipt application is within the 60 days of publication of this circulation in employment news. Friends, its official website www.agricoup.nic.in. It is offline mode. You have to send the application on the given address before due date. Next vacancy from CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, India. It is advertisement number 06/2021. The registration fees and online application start from 12th July 2021. Last date of submission on online application is by 30 August 2021. Last date receipt of physical copy is by Wednesday 15 September 2021. Name of the post, Junior Secretariat Assistant General. Number of post 6. Pay level will be 12. Educational qualifications 10+2 and computer and typing speed. Upper age limit is 28 years. Second post is Junior Secretariat Assistant F&A, yani Finance. Number of post 4. Pay level 2, 10+2 and computer knowledge is required. Junior Secretariat Assistant S&P, number of post 4, that is a pay level 2, 10+2 and computer required. Next post is Junior Stenographer, number of post 2, pay level will be 4 and 10+2 and proficiency in computer type speed and using computer as a prescribed norms fixed by DOPT from the time to time. Upper age limit is 27 years. For more details, please visit his official website cdris.res.in. Last date is already mentioned, and we have told this is the 30th August 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Power, Shram Shakti Bhavan, Rail Marg, New Delhi. It is a vacancy circulation. It is vacancy circulation for the post of chairperson. CRC will fall vacant on 12 June 2022. It is proposed to fill up the anticipated vacancies. The anticipated vacancy of chairperson is required to fill from the field of economics, commerce and management, since there is already a member from the engineer, finance and law. So friends, the next, if you have done Snatkotar or postgraduate in commerce or economics or MBA, then you can apply for the post. For more details, please visit is powermin.nic.in. The last date of receipt this application will be 16 August 2021. Next department from Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Directorate of General of Training, Shimla. It is a post of upper division clerk and 2 posts for accountant. 2 posts for upper division UDC and 2 posts for accountant. So eligibility for UDC, person with central government or state government officials, union territory administration and PCO and regional research institute, university or statutory of autonomous organization, holding analogous post on regular basis in the parent cadre or department. For accountant, person from central government or state government or union territory administration or PSU, private sector undertakings or regional research institute or university or institute or holding analogous post for regular basis of parent cadre. Friends, last date of this receipt is within the 60 days from this advertisement in the newspaper. Friends, this is the application form. You have to fill the application form, attach all the requisite document and send it on this given address before due date. Next department is from National Power Training Institute. It is an admission notice for 1 year postgraduate diploma courses. For courses is power plant engineering. For eligibility for this course is BTech, BE or equivalent with minimum 60% power in mechanical, electrical, electronics or power, C&I, engineering and related branches. Next course, PGDC course is power management. Educational qualification is SAM. Power system operations, education qualification is SAM. Renewable energy and grid interface technology and smart grid and technology. The educational qualification is about SAM. The selection criteria for admission, a common merit of eligible candidate will be prepared on the basis of percentage marks obtained in the candidate by qualifying degree of interview conducted by the NETI. So friends, it is a date of online registration is 18 June 2021 to 10 August 2021. Date of interview 11 to 12 August 2022. Date of declaration result 13 August 2021. Date of counseling 18 August 2021. Date of reporting 25 August 2021. Date of sport admission by 1st September 2021. So friends, if you want to do these courses, then you have to apply and contact for more details please and visit his official website. You can also contact on this given phone numbers. Next vacancy from Government of India, Department of Space. It is for 1 post for Director and Technical and Strategy in New Space India Limited, that is a NSIL Bengaluru. Eligibility for officers working under central government including the Armed Forces of Union and all Indian services, CPSC, SPSC, annual turnover is 1500 crore or more. Private sectors companies annual turnover is 1500 crore more than and fulfilling the following criteria may apply. The application must on the date of application as well as the date of interview be employed as regular capacity or contractual or more capacity. Educational qualification, the applicant should be graduate in engineering science with good academic record from a recognized university. Last date of this receipt application is 16 August 2021. Friends, for more details please visit his official website www.isro.gov.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Power, Shram Shakti Bhavan, Rail Marg, New Delhi. Inviting application for the appointment post of member hydro in the Central Electricity Authority on deputation or short-term basis. For more details, please visit his official website powermin.nic.in. For educational qualifications, no person shall be eligible for appointment to the office of member unless he has held a post of chief engineering or equivalent in the pay level 14 and or higher postgraduate pay matrix on the regular basis. At least 5 years he should be in the post of pay level 14 in the engineering department. Postgraduate, that is the post mentioned in the clause A, and experience should be minimum 5 years experience is required. So friends, you have to visit this of this official website, and before due date you have to apply. Next vacancy from Cabinet Secretariat, Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. It is a notice filling of one post for the data entry operator Group C. It is a data entry operator Group C, Group B non-gazetted in pay level 6. Applications are invited for the filling of one post for data entry operator Group C. For more details, please visit his official website cabsec.gov.in, means cabsec.gov.in. The last date of application by 31st August 2021. Next vacancy form, that is the press notification, Brahmaputra Board, Ministry of Jal Shakti Department, Guwahati. Applications are invited filling up the post of deputation basis in Brahmaputra Board, Deputy Chief Engineer, Superintending Engineering, Deputy Secretary, Executive Engineer Civil, Executive Engineer Mechanical, Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, Assistant Executive Engineer Mechanic or Assistant. For more details, please visit his official website brahmaputraboard.gov.in. Next vacancy from Indian Bureau of Mines. It is for post of superintending post for the superintending chemist. Number of posts are 3. Pay level will be 12. Last date of receipt for the superintendent chemist post is 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website imb.gov.in. Next vacancy from Government of India, Department of Space. It is for one post for Director of Finance in New Space India Limited, NSIL, Bengaluru. Eligibility and educational qualifications, if we talk, the application should be chartered accountant or post accountant or full-time MBA, PGDM graduate with good academic records from a recognized university or institutions. Experience, he should have 15 years experience, and pay scale and all you have to visit his official website isro.gov.in, careers in new. Next vacancy from the National Power Training Institute, Hydropower Training Center, Punjab. It is an admission notice, 39-week postgraduate diploma course PGDC in hydropower plant. Last date for this is 16 August 2021. Next is from National Health System Resource Center. That is the Government of India. National Health Center application are invited for the post of Senior Consultant Community Process, Comprehensive Primary Healthcare, Consultant Community Process, Comprehensive Primary Healthcare, Consultant Quality Improvement. For more details, please visit official website mohfw.gov.in. Last date is by 23rd July 2021. Next vacancy from the National Instructional Media Institute. It is a recruitment notice, Directorate General of Training, DGT invites application for the under mentioned post consultant, one on contract basis. That is a junior instructional consultant JCB, that is a consultant technical support and consultant IT support. Number of posts for junior consultant is 240 and consultant technical support 48 or consultant IT support number of posts 30. The last date application is 30 July 2021. Next from Central Institute of Petrochemicals, Engineering and Technology, CPET. It is an admission notice, and for the number of course and name of the course is Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology, 3 years, 10th standard qualification. Diploma in Plastic Technology, DPT, 3 years course, 10th standard. Postgraduate diploma in plastic processing and testing, that is 2 years course, 3 years degree in science. Postgraduate in plastic mold design with CAD and CM, 1.5 years course duration, diploma in mechanical plastic and tools and tool die making. Friends, last date of this application is by 20 July 2021. It is an admission notice. Now next is recruitment notice from National Highway Authority of India. Name of post Deputy General Manager Administration, number of post 5, pay band will be 3. Last date of receipt by 2nd August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website nhai.gov.in, means National Highway Authority of India.gov.in. Next recruitment notice and vacancy notice on deputation basis from All India Institute of Medical Science, Rishikesh. Name of the post Financial Advisor, Chief Nursing Officer, Financial Chief Account Officers, Steno, Storekeepers, Senior Storekeepers, Principal Private Secretary, Assistant Controller Examination, Chief Dietitian, Chief Medical, Social Service Officer, Deputy Chief Security Officer, CSSD Officer, Stores Officers, and Chief Medical Report Officers, Superintending, Medical Social Service Officers, and Security Officers. For this, all posts, number of posts each one. Like this, total number of posts is 25. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website www.aimsrishikesh.edu.in. Next vacancy from the Delhi Jal Board, Delhi Sarkar, Office of the Assistant Commissioner T. Number of posts for this: contract specialist, number of post 1, safety and environment auditing specialist, number of post 1, structural engineering civil, number of post 1, electrical mechanical engineering, number of post 1, environment engineering, number of post 1, senior landscape architect, number of post 1, middle level architect, number of post 2, groundwater expert and urban planner, number of post 1 each. Last date is received application by 30 July 2021. It is an offline mode. You have to send application on given this address. Please visit more details delhijalboard.nic.in. Next is from Department of Anthropology, University of Delhi. It is for 1 research assistant, 2 years, and 1 field investigator. Pay level 15,000 per month for the 6-month Indian Council of Science Research (ICSSR). Last date of receipt application is 21 days from this advertisement, and please visit official website www.du.ac.in. Next, from the Bharatiya Reserve Bank, Reserve Bank of India. Appointment for the Director, Indian Institute of Bank Management, IIBM, Guwahati. The search committee for selection of Director of Indian Institute of Bank, IIBM, Guwahati invites application for the seasons, bankers and accompanies academics administrators for the post of Director, IIBM. For more details, please visit its official website, and application should reach by 23rd July 2021. Next vacancy from the Commandant, the Garhwal Rifle Regiment Center, Lansdowne, Uttarakhand. Application are invited for eligible candidate for the post of stenographer grade 2, number of post 1, that is reserved for ex-servicemen. 10+2 is essential qualifications, skill 10 minutes per 80 word per minute shorthand in Hindi or English. Transcription on computer 50 minutes in Hindi or English and 65 minutes in Hindi. Clerk, number of post 2, matriculation, typing speed 35 word Hindi, English and Hindi 30 word per minute. Blacksmith, that is a number of post 1 for SC candidate, matriculations and diploma certificate in respective trades recognized by ITI. Cook, number of post 5, matriculation plus must knowledge have a cooking. Bootmaker, number of post 1 for ST candidate, matriculation and should have a carry out of all canvas, textile, leather work. Washerman, number of post 1 unreserved, matriculation plus must have washed military civilian clothes thoroughly well. Barber, number of post 4, essential matriculation is equivalent from the recognized board and desirable 1 year experience in the trade. Super. Essential qualifications 10 class and desirable in conversation with duties of respective trades, 1 year experience in the trade. Number of posts 2. Range Chowkidar, number of post 1, essential qualification matriculations. It is an offline applications. You have to send this performer in the given address. Next vacancy, National Highway Authority of India, Ministry of Road Transport, New Delhi. Friends, name of the post Chief General Manager Finance, number of post 1, pay band will be 4. Last date by 16 August 2021 and for official visit nhai.gov.in for more details. Next department for Mathematics, University of Delhi South Campus, New Delhi. It is for the post of asymptomatic of solution of linear and non-linear delay differential equation. So applications are invited for the following post temporary basis for SERB funded project. The project name is asymptomatic solutions and linear and non-linear delay differential equations. Last date within the 21 days you have of application is advertisement. You have to apply. For more details, please visit its official website. Next department from Netaji Subhas University of Technology. It is a recruitment notice for non-teaching post. Vacancy positions and name, that is the post code NSUT 2021 ST1. That is a lower division clerk LDC group C post. Number of post 35. Unreserved 15, EWS 4, SC 4, ST 3, OBC 9. Essential qualification for LDC, that is 12 pass and typing speed 35 word per minute in English on computer. Pay band will be 1 and level 2. Upper age limit 27 years. Next is for junior stenographer group C post. Number of vacancies 10. Essential qualifications 12 pass, skill test norms, dictation 10 minutes, 80 word per minute, 35 word per minute, typing in English on computer. Pay band will be 1, pay level will be 4, upper age limit 27 years. Next vacancy from upper division clerk UDC group C post. Number of post 8. Essential qualifications bachelor degree, recognized university and typing speed 30 word per minute in English on computer. Upper age limit is 27 years, pay band will be 1, pay level will be 4. Next post is library assistant group C post. Number of posts is 2, unreserved EWS, SCST, OBC 2. Essential qualifications BA, BCom, BSc with certificate in library and information science, diploma in library, 2 years full-time experience in library management and working knowledge on computer. Bachelor degree in library science, working knowledge of computer. Pay scale, pay band 1 and pay level will be as per 6 CPC, that is a pay level 4. Upper age limit is 27 years. Next post is junior mechanic group C post. Number of post is 21. Educational qualifications for engineering department or IT relevant field or 2 years experience in relevant field or diploma in degree in engineering in appropriate field. Pay scale will be pay band 1, the pay level will be 2. Upper age limit is 27 years. Next post for head clerk group B post. Number of post is 7. Essential qualifications essential graduation from recognized university, typing speed 35 word per minute in English or knowledge of computer, basic software tools like Windows and Excel. Pay band will be pay level 60, level 7. Upper age limit 30 years. Next post is senior technical assistant STA group B post. Essential educational qualification engineering department diploma with 5 years experience. Pay band will be 2. Upper age limit 30 years. Next post assistant storekeeper group C post. Essential qualifications 12th class, equivalent qualification from a recognized board university, a typing speed of 35 word per minute in English on computer. Pay scale will pay band 1, pay level 2. Upper age limit 27 years. Next post is junior programmer group B post. Number of vacancy total 13. Essential qualifications to be taught, then essential qualifications MTech, specialization on computer science or software engineering or master in computer application, that is a MCA. Pay band to pay level will be 6. Upper age limit 30 years. Next post is Technical Assistant Group C post, number of posts 26. Educational qualification for this engineering department. Pay band will be 1, pay level will be 5. Next vacancy from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Advertisement notice. Application are invited for the prescribed manner for labor officer on deputation basis. Pay level will be 10. Application should reach on this department by 10 August 2021. For more details, please visit its official website. Next vacancy, Sainik School, Kalikari, Chittoor district, Andhra Pradesh. Friends, this is academic and admission staff required TGT Social Science, number of post 1, educational qualification as per CBSE by law and essential qualification mentioned on the school website. Pay will be pay level 7, age 21 to 35 years. Next, TGT Mathematics, 1 vacancy, lower division clerk LDC, 1 unreserved and 1 OBC, total post 2, essential qualifications, matriculations, typing speed at least 40 word per minute English and typing speed in Hindi and regional language, both using online tools maybe. Pay level will be 2. Next is General Employees in MTS, regular multitasking staff, number of posts 6, essential qualifications, matriculations. General Employees MTS contractual, that is 8 vacancies, 5 unreserved and 2 OBC, 1 SC, essential qualification, matriculations. Last date is 21 August 2021, date of application means 7 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website sskal.ac.in/careers. Next department, vacancy from the Government of India Ministry of Culture, advertisement for the post of Director, Aston John Culture Center, Kolkata. For the post of Director, last date of the application is 45 days from the publication of advertisement. For essential qualifications, please visit his official website indianculture.nic.in or ezecc.india.org. Next vacancy from the Indian Navy. Invites online application from unmarried male candidate for the enrollment as a sailor for metric recruitment, that is a MR. October 2021, batch for course commencing October 2021. Eligibility condition, educational qualifications, candidate must have passed matriculation examination from the Board of School Education and recognized by Ministry of Government of India. Job specification, if we talk, then that is a chef, steward and hygienist. Chef, he should be required to prepare food as per menu. Steward, they should be required to serve food in the officious messes as waiters, housekeeping, accounting of funds, wines and stores. Hygienists, they will be required to clean washroom, shower spaces and other areas. Age limit is between 1st April 2021 to 30 September 2004. Both dates include. How to apply? This is the online applications. You have to apply before 19 July to 23rd July 2021. Official website is www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. The last date of receipt this application online is 23rd July 2021. Number of posts, last date of online application is reached by 23rd July 2000. It is an online mode application. Next is the Indian Navy invites application for the unmarried male candidate for SSC and Short Service Commission in Electrical Branch commencing from Jan 2022 courses. Date of opening this application is 16 July 2021 online and last date for online application is 30 July 2021. Essential qualifications for SSC Electrical Branch in General Service, that is the BE, BTech with minimum 60% marks in any of the following streams: electrical, electronics, telecommunications, electronics, communications, power engineering, power electronics, electronics and instrumentations, applied electronics and instrumentations and control, instrumentation, applied electronics and communications, AEC, electronicals and electronics. Number of posts is 40, This is for only male candidate vacancy. Age is born between both dates include 2nd Jan 1997 to 1st July 2022. Next vacancy from National Commission for Scheduled Caste NCSC Government of India invites application for the filling of post of deputation basis. There are 6 posts of director in the pay level will be 12. 3 posts for deputy director pay level will be 11. 5 posts for assistant director in pay level will be 10. For more details, please visit official website ncsc.nic.in. Last date is 31st July 2020. Next vacancy from the Delhi Polish Housing Corporation Limited, New Delhi. Name of the post is 1 Executive Engineer Civil. For the post of 1 Executive Civil Engineering, that is the essential qualifications is eligibility holding analog of post having 4 years experience as assistant executive engineers at pay band 3. It is an offline mode. You have to fill the performa and send it on the given address before the due date. Next vacancy from the Government of India Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation for filling the post of Consultant Human Resource on contract basis at UIDAI headquarters. Last date of complete applications should reach by in respect is 30 July 2021. For more details, please visit official website uidai.gov.in. Next vacancy from Indian Institute of Science Educational and Research, Tirupati. Recruitment for the post of Deputy Registrar. Name of post is Deputy Registrar. Number of post 1. Essential qualification with the master degree in any discipline, at least 55% marks and 9-year experience as an assistant professor in ACB and pay band 6,000 and above. Age limit is below 45 years. Please visit his official website, and last date of submission online application is July 25, 2021. Next vacancy is Sainik School, Pillai, Jharkhand. Application are invited for the post on regular basis, that is TGT Hindi 1 post for ST, TGT Social Science 2 post for 1 OBC and 1 SC, TGT General Science Bio 1 post for OBC, TGT Math 1 post for SC, and Maths Manager number of post 1. Last date of application 9 August 2021. Please visit official website sainikschoolpillaya.org.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Mines, Bharatiya Khan Bureau, Indian Bureau of Mines. It is for 7 post for senior mining geologist, Indian Bureau of Mines, pay level 11. For more details, please visit the official website imbm.gov.in. Last date of application is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Next vacancy noticed on deputation basis from All India Institute of Medical Science in Kalyan. Name of post is Superintendent Engineering Group A. Experience and required is executive engineers within 5 years on regular service into grade pay 7,600, number post 1. In executive engineering civil, number of post 1. Nursing superintendent, number of post 1. Accounts officer, number of post 1. And librarian grade 1, documentalist, number of post 1. For all these posts, candidates should have a relevant degree or diploma. For more details, please visit his official website. This is an offline mode of applications. You have to download the performa and you have to send is given on this address. Last date of receipt application is 30 days from the date of application from the 17 July 2021. Please visit official website aimskalyani.edu.in for more details. Next department for National Rail and Transportation Institute, NAIR campus, Lal Bagh, Vadodara, Gujarat. Recruitment to teaching and non-teaching positions. That is 1 professor, assistant professor and assistant professor. Number of vacancies 3, 9 and 15 each. Next is position Chief and outreach officer, number of post 1, director executive education, director skill development, chief technology officer, human resource officer, student activities officer, and communication officer, number of post 1 each. For deputy warden, number of post 2, admin assistant, number of post 3, and physical instructor, number of post 1, laboratory assistant and laboratory technician, number of post 1 and 7 respectively. The last date is by 8 August 2021 by 1700 hours. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy, Government of India, Ministry of Defence Employees Notice, Group C post 56 AC Type G post. Name of post, Tin Smith Skilled, Unit 56 COI AC Type G. For one post OBC, unit location is Bangalore. Age essential qualification is IT certificate from a recognized industrial training institute or trades or 12th standard pass in equivalent. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Before due date, you have to fill the pro forma and have to apply and send on the given address. The selection criteria will be written test for general reasoning, numerical aptitude, and general English, general awareness, and trade awareness will be 25 marks each. Physical standards will be conducted. Next vacancy is from All India Institute of Medical Science, Rajkot, Gujarat. It is the post for AIIMS Rajkot. Invoiced application for the non-faculty recruitment on deputation basis. 2 is the faculty recruitment, Group A on direct recruitment on deputation basis. Faculty recruitment, professor, consultant or contractual basis as follows. Detailed notifications rolling over non-faculty recruitment on deputation to 2021. Application opening date is 18 June 2021. Application closing date 30 days from publication of the employment news in the newspaper. Category, recruitment by deputations. Post Assistant Controller of Examination, ACA, Nursing Superintendent. The deputation shall be governed by DOPT as per the instructions. Post Assistant Controller of Examination and Nursing Superintendent, INC, that is post 1 each. Deputation for Assistant Controller Examination, ACE 3 years, and Nursing Superintendent, that is 3 years. Total posts are 2. Essential qualification for Administration Controller of Examination, that is the ACE, that is the age limit is 56 years, and essential qualifications officers on under central, state or UT and analogs and 5 years experience. Nursing, that is also for officers of the state or central government of statutory influence bodies holding analogous post on deputy assistant nursing superintendent with 5 years regular service. Grade pay will be 50 for 100. It is an offline mode. You have to fill this pro forma and send it on the given address within the 30 days. For more details, please visit aimsrajkot.ad.in. Next vacancy from Joint Territorial Army as an officer. Friends, candidates are required to apply online at jointterritorialarmy.gov.in only. No other mode of allowed for submission of application. Application are invited from a gainfully employed young citizen for opportunity of doing uniform and serving a nation's territorial army officer, non-department, based on the concept of enabling motivated. Friends, eligibility and age limit is 18 to 42 years as a last date of filling of this application on 19 August 2021. Nationality should be citizen from the India, and employment is a gainfully employed, and date of return examination is 26 September 2021. Submission of application is last date is 19 August 2021 till 11:59 p.m. Mode of education is standard syllabus as examination is reasoning, elementary mathematics, general knowledge and pro English. 50 questions each and 4 hours duration. Part 1 and Part 2. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply online by using website jointindianterritorialarmy.gov.in by before 19 August 2021. 2021. Written examination center will be given on all India, all over the India. Next vacancy from Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh. That is the recruitment notice. Name of the post is Station Fire Officer Group B. That is a pay scale matrix against the said post. Total number of posts 3, General for 2 and OBC for 1. Fireman Group C, number of posts 220 and General for 70, SC for 40 and OBC for 59 and 22 for EWS General. And ex-servicemen have General 16, SC 5, OBC 8. Driver Group C, number of posts total is 56, EWS 6 and OBC 16, SC 10 or General 16. Last date of receipt this application is 30 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.mcchandigarh.gv.in. Next department from Central Employed Exchange, advertisement number 03/2021. Applications are invited for the following post. Various employees indicated in the advertisement number. Last date of receipt this application in the given format is 60 days from the date of advertisement of prescribed format Annex 2 in the newspaper. दोस्तों, application for the following post of various vocational instructor automobile repairing is to be sent on head office National Career Service Centers. So, essential qualifications, matriculations or its equivalent. For vocational instructor automobile repairing, pay band will be pay level 6. Second post is National Apprenticeship Certificate in Automobile Repairing, Motor and Mechanical. Next post is admission notice. Admission notice for National Industrial Training Center, New Delhi. For the post of Health Sanitary Inspector, Physiotherapy Technician, Dental Technician and Radio Technician. Anyone who want to do the course is admission only 10th level basis admission qualifications. Please visit his official website nitc.india.com. Last date is 31st July 2021. Next is Rashtriya Electronic and सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान हरिद्वार. Online Advanced Training Program session August-September 2021. Anyone who wants to do for cloud computing, big data analytics, machine learning using Python, web application development, Internet things, deep learning Python, MATLAB, Android applications, VLSI, digital marketing, web designing, Java programming, programming in Python or AutoCAD. Eligibility for instance BE, BTech or MC should be. Duration of course is 4 to 6 weeks. Last date 19 August 2021. Next department is for the engagement of apprentices under the Apprenticeship Act 1961 Power Grid. Closing of date this is 20 August 2021. Anyone who want to do apprenticeship courses in Power Grid, they can apply before 20 August 2021. Next advertisement for the post of principal in the Zakir Hussain Delhi College, University of Delhi. Last date of this is the 2 weeks from the date of this application. If anyone wants to apply for post of principal in Zakir Hussain Delhi College, please visit official website zakirhussaindelhicollege.ac.in. This is huge vacancy and good vacancies. Staff Selection Commission, New Delhi. That is the SSC Staff Selection Commission notice. This is the Constable General Duty in Central Armed Forces, CAPF, NIA National Investigation Agency, SSC Sima Sashastra Forces, Rifleman GD in Assam Rifle Examination 2021. Friends, important dates if we talk, then date of submission of online application is 17 July 2021 to 31st August 2021. Last date and time of receipt of online application is by 31st August 2021. Last date and time for making online fee payment 2nd September 2021. Last date and time for generation of offline challenge 4 September 2021. Computer based exam Tier 1 will be announced later. So government still have a workforce which reflects gender balance and women candidates are encouraged to apply. So women also can apply for this general duty constable. If we talk the total number of posts, that is the 25,271. This is a huge vacancy. Next vacancy from Department of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi. Appointment of Chairperson Food and Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. Friends, pay scale will be 2,25,000 per month. Eligibility, application should selection on the office of chairperson. Fessage shall be eminence of the field of food science and person from the administration who have been associated with the subject and is either holding has a held position not below the rank of Secretary of Government of India. दोस्तों, last date of this receipt application before due date is 45 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. Offline mode, you have to fill the proforma and send it with the given address. Next vacancy from Ministry of Development, Northeast Region Council Secretariat, Shillong. It is a one post for advisor of health on deputation including and one post for statistician. Two posts are there. So last date for this post of advisor health and post of statistician is 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement of the employment news. For more details and educational qualification about post, please visit his official website. List of enclosed to be acknowledged with document. This is offline mode applications. You have to fill the applications and attach all the documents and send it on given address before due date. Means 60 days from now. Means 60 days from 17 July 2021. If we talk the method of recruitment and essential qualifications, advisor health, number of posts 1. Essential qualifications is required is recognized medical qualifications including the first schedule or second schedule part 2 on the third schedule other than the Indian Medical Council. It should be MBBS. Next, for the post of statistician, number of post 1, method of recruitment on deputation basis, and essential qualifications is required for the master degree in statistics and operational research of mathematics and commerce of economics with statistics and recognized university. Before due date, you have to apply offline. Next vacancy from Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi. This is a notice. It is hereby informed that all the concerned that the recruitment process of the post of Secretary Indian Culture at High is standby cancelled. CSIR, next department, Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute, that is Kolkata. Advertisement number 01/2021. Online applications are invited from the Indian national and other declared eligible by the Government of India under mentioned post. Post name is Junior Stenographer in English or Hindi. Number of post 1, essential qualifications 10+2 and relevant typing speed. Pay level will be 4. Last date for all these vacancies is 15 August 2021. Next post is Junior Secretariat Assistant General. Number of post 7. Junior Secretariat Assistant F&A. Number of post 3. Junior Secretariat Assistant Stores and Purchase. Number of post 3. Educational qualification 10+2 and English and Hindi typing. English typing is speed is 35 word per minute and Hindi 30 word per minute should be. Last date and this receipt application is 19 August 2021. So friends, before 15 August 2021 you have to apply, and this is online mode. This is official website www.cgeri.res.in. Next vacancy from Sahitya Academy. Name of post Deputy Secretary. Number of post 1. Location Head Office, New Delhi. Age limit is 50 years. Method of recruitment, essential qualification is post-grad degree from recognized university. Last date of receipt to this application is within the 30 days from the date of this application. Please visit his official website for more details. Next vacancy from the India Trade Promotion Organization. Subject inviting application for the impanelment of retired government servant as inquiry officer in ITPO. Last date for this for retired government servant for application for impanelment retirement for ITPO, that is 30 days from the date of publication. Next vacancy from High Court of Gujarat, Sola Ahmedabad, recruitment for the post of Deputy Section Officer, advertisement number 1304/2021. Number of vacancy, that is 63 vacant posts for Deputy Section Officer. Last date of received application is 6 August 2020. For more details, please visit official website www.gujarathighcourt.nic.in. Next vacancy from National Disaster Management Authority, that is a Government of India. This is the project accountant and administrative officer, project manager, ADAM and accounts assistant SO level, and engineering specialist to be filled on deputation or contract basis. It's an offline mode. You have to fill the performa and download from the ncrmp.gov.in before 31st August 2021. Fill the performa, attach all requisite documents and send it on the given address. Next department from NBCC India Limited, advertisement number 09/2021. Name of post is Project Management Consultancy PMC, including redevelopment and real estate development and EPC contracting. Name of post is Assistant Manager Corporate and Communications, postgraduate degree with essential qualifications and 2 years should be experience. Executive Corporate Communications is upper age limit is 28 years, bachelor degree in mass communication and mass medical media and journalism, 1 year relevant work experience you should have. For more details, please visit his official website nbccindia.com, and last date is 12 August 2021 from this date of advertisement. Opening date for online registration 30 July 2021. Closing date is 12 August 2021 by 1700 hours. Next vacancy from National School of Drama. Vacancy notice, that is the Assistant Group Classical Indian Drama, 1 post OBC for NCL and non-creamy layer. Assistant Professor Music, 1 post PWD for OH. Upper age limit is 45 years and below. Essential qualifications, good academic records and should have BA degree in the NSD diploma in dramatics or master degree with at least second class in concerned subject. For sound technician, 1 post OBC non-creamy layer. Essential qualifications is degree diploma in sound technology from a recognized university. So last date of receipt of application is by 16 August 2021. For more details, please visit nst.gov.in. Next vacancy from vacancies notification from Government of India, that is the Office of Development Counselor. It is a name of post Assistant Development Commission, number of post 2, classification group B gazetted, particulars pay, the pay band will be pay level 7. Eligibility criteria, holding analog post on regular basis with 3 years regular service post on scale, that is the pre-revised 55,000 to 9,000. Method of recruitment, appointment will be on deputation basis. Last date 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Please visit official website sips.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from National Rainfall Area Authority, that is the engagement of senior technical consultant and young professional NRAA on contractual basis. Last date is from the 9 August 2021, nrra.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from Damodar Valley Corporation, that is the employment notice. Educational qualifications for the general manager or equivalent. Any consultant mining full-time basis for general manager. Essential qualifications for general manager, bachelor degree of mining engineering from recognized university. Work experience, at least 20 years experience should have. Age limit not more than 63 years. Before 19 July 2021 you have to apply. Last date for receipt application is 19 July 2021. For more details, please visit official website dvc.gov.in. Next vacancy circulation from the Office of the Development of Commissioner. Vacancy notification, name of the post Assistant Development Commission. Number of post is 27 for Mumbai and 13 for Pune site. Classification Group B gazetted. Particular pay band will be 7 as per CPC. Grade pay will be 4600. Eligibility criteria: holding analogous post and 3 years regular service in the post scale of 5500 to 9000. Method of recruitment is on deputation basis. Last date 45 days from the date of publications. Next vacancy from the Government of India, Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Sport Quota Recruitment 2021. Name of the post: Inspector of Income Tax. Number of vacancy 8, pay level B 7. Tax Assistant, number of post 83, pay level B 4. Multitasking staff, number of post 64, pay level will be 1. Last date of this received by 25 August 2021. For more details, please visit incometaxmumbai.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, filling up the post of Director General of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan NYKS and Autonomous Body of Undertaking of the Administrative Control, Ministry of Youth and Affairs and Sports. For last date for this Director General is 45 days from the date of publications. Please visit official website nyks.nic.in. Mercy Sandipni Rashtriya Ved Vidya Pratishthan, Ujjain. Recruitment for the post of staff car driver. Last date for applying for a staff car driver is 45 days from the date of publications. Please fill the proforma and send it on the given address. Please visit its official website for more details, msrvpp.ac.in. Next vacancy and huge vacancy most wanted, that is the Institute of Banking Personnel. Common recruitment process for recruitment of clerk participating bank clerk for vacancies of 2022-2023. Inputted dates are like this. Online registration is 12 July to 1st August 2021. Payment of application 12 July to 1st August 2021. Download call letters for pre-exam training August 2021. Conduct of pre-exam is 16 August 2021. And online exam, prelim exam is 28 August 2021, 29 August 2021 and 4 September 2021. Result online preliminary, that is September and October. Download call center for main, that is October 2021. Online examination for main is 31st October 2021. Provisional allotment April 2021. Candidates are advised to regularly keep in touch with the authorized IBPS website ibps.in. So friends, you have to go to official website ibps.in and apply for this post. How to fill this proforma for ibps.in? Please visit my playlist and check there. There is one video how to fill ibps.in form online. Next department from career opportunity in legal and HR discipline. Name of post: Chief General Manager Law, that is number of post total 1. Chief Manager HR, number of post 10. Essential qualifications for Chief General Manager Law: degree graduate in any discipline with minimum 50% marks and bachelor degree in law LLB and minimum actual 24 years post graduation executive experience should have. For the post of Chief Manager HR, that is a pay scale 90,000 to 2,40,000. Upper age limit is 40 years for unreserved, OBC for 43, SC/ST for 45 years. Essential qualifications for Chief Manager HR, that is a bachelor degree of minimum 60% marks and 2 years MBA and or bachelor degree in minimum 60% marks and 2 years master degree, 2 years PG diploma. Minimum 12 years post qualification executive experience you should have. How to apply? Candidate will require to apply online through GALE website. The GALE www.galeonline.com. No other means mode of application. Application should be reached or filled online by 30 June 2021 to 29 July 2021. So last date for filling online application is 29 July 2021. Next department in Cabinet Secretariat, National Authority Chemical Weapon Convention. It is for the filling of one post for Technical Officer, Cabinet Secretariat on deputation of it. Last date for is 4 August 2021. Please visit official website nacwc.nic.in for more details. Next vacancy from Wadia Institute of Himalaya Geology. Advertisement number, name of post scientist B, number of post 2, scientist B, number of post 9, administrative officer, number of post 1, technical assistant, number of post 3, upper division clerk, number of post 4, draftsman, number of post 2, LDC, yani lower division clerk, number of post 3, driver, number of post 3, field cum laboratory attendant, number of post 5, field attendant, number of post 2, like total number of posts are 34. For above all these posts, you have to fill before the 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Means today is 17 July 2021 and 17 August 2021 is last date for this FIA above all posts. Please visit official website www.lh.res.in. Next vacancy from Delhi Cantonment Board, Delhi Cantonment. There is an invoiced application for the post recruitment of following posts, that is a gynecologist, medical specialist, anesthetist. He should have an MBBS plus relevant is educational qualification should be have relevant field obstetric, gynec and gynecologist, general medicine, medical specialist, anesthesia for anesthetist course he should have done. Now, date of opening application 16 July to 6 August 2021. For more details, please visit delhikent.gov.in. Next department for Committee of Parliament of Official Language. Lower Division Clerk, number of post 10. Last date of receipt this application for LDC, Lower Division Clerk for Committee of Parliament on Official is 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. It is offline mode. You have to send this performa by download on official website and send it on given the address. Recruitment for the director post for the International Advanced Research Center Power Material New Materials ARCI. For this, last date is received for application. Please visit his official website www.dst.gov.in and send it before 30 August 2021. Alternate career opportunity for law students continues on page number 1. So friends, this was the employment news of weekly New Delhi 17 to 23rd July 2021. See you next week with new employment newspaper and new job notifications. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.